Yes, and then at the end of the story, guess what happened?
What happened? Tell us, please.
No,
She-
it was tragic. She died in the
She
snow.
died?
No.
Grandpa, what? What?
Creeping through the darkest land, creeping through this darkest land like crazy motherfucker. I'm so sick, motherfucker, you don't even know because I'm such a fucking bastard, motherfucking seasoned demon. I'm a bastard seasoned demon. Yes, I'll be that heathen demon, breathing all this nastiness inside of me. Motherfucker, I'm die again for walking all this time. Midnight, hear the banshees cry. Fly right back in dust and days. Motherfucker, fly right back when the dust of May. When you really wanna see me in the fray, I'm so fucking wicked torn up. I don't even give a fuck. What would you say, bitch? But I got your fucking neck. Can I see you when a motherfucker do his fuck bitch with a big bitch shit? I'm a motherfucker, say that I love you, miss you. Just know I love you just by the way that I kiss you sometimes. Yes, I kiss you, you can tell I know. Yes, you can tell I love you still just by the way I held your face and kissed your lips. So I need I might be you. By the way, by the way, how's your day? By the way, how's your day? As you stand in the rain and you touch my face inside my dreams, now I'm awake. And fuck everything you say. Fly away, motherfucker, just fly away and leave me just like that. Never tell me that you fucking love me. If you did, you would just fucking snuff me and go. Just go, leave me alone. Sick with the soul, with the sleepy hollow. I can't motherfucker really think that I'll ever have a fucking chance in this life, because I can't fucking get you out of my eyes, my eyes, my eyes.